Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Peppa Pig, Danny Dog. Susie Sheep, Zoe Zebra. Peppa Pig, Richard Rabbit. Susie Sheep, Richard Rabbit. Susie Sheep, that's excellent. Peppa Pig, super. Candy Cat, Danny Dog. Zoe Zebra, Danny Dog. Danny Dog, super. Zoe Zebra. Candy Cat, Candy Cat, that's right. Richard Rabbit, super. Zoe Zebra, great. Well done, you've won a sticker. Well done, you matched all the pairs. George loved to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more.
Keep going, you've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants 4 crackers.
Well done, you've won a sticker.